Do you know many people are having trouble with finding the right halogen bulb for their Whirlpool WML55011HS microwave? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate lamp area. Locate the interior and ventilation parts of your microwave to find the lamp area. Step 2. Identify reflector part. Identify the lamp reflector part number, which indicates the compatible halogen bulb. Step 3. Note specifications. Take note of the lamp reflector's description and specifications for compatibility. Step 4. Refer to diagrams. Refer to the illustrations and diagrams for a visual guide on replacing the bulb. Step 5. Replace bulb safely. Follow the provided instructions to safely replace the halogen bulb in your microwave. By following these steps, you should be able to safely replace the halogen bulb in your Whirlpool WML55011HS Microwave. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.